Guys, these are the ingredients you need for your salsa. Salsa. You know, this salsa, you can use it to eat anything. Doritos, crepes, you know, tagliatelle, anything. Rice, chicken, chips, fried yam, fried plantain, boiled yam, anything. It can be a side dish. You got your assorted kind of pepper there, sweet pepper, green there. You got your red onions. You got your pineapple. You got your lime or lemon. You can add mango as well. Mango is very great in it as well. You can add avocado pear into it. Spring onions, you know, chili pepper, you know. That is it now, guys. The ingredient for it. And that is the salsa. Look how colorful and beautiful it is. Look how beautiful and colorful it is. Hi everybody. I got chicken to roast. So here is the chicken. You know. So I have my gloves on, my hand gloves. I don't want to mess my hands. So that is the chicken. That is the baking pan. It's a breakable one, so I don't need foil paper. If it's those stainless pan, steel, then I will put foil. But since it's breakable roasting dish, I don't need to put foil. Sometimes I do so that I don't wash it, but I just want it that way. So that is the chicken sitting down there. So I'm gonna marinate it and put it in the oven. So that is my fresh thyme. I'm gonna put it inside, okay, to moist it when you are roasting it, okay. When I roast chicken, I like to put in something inside there, so that it just keep it moist, you know. Keep it moist. You keep it moist, not too dry, you know. Then I'm gonna put in one potato in there, not peel in there. We go in there, okay. So cover it there. I'm gonna use butter to rub all over it so that it will roast and go crispy and not go dry with butter. You can use olive oil, any oil of your choice, but I'm using butter, okay guys. You just massage the butter to go under the skin, but I'm not gonna be eating the skin. I should have taken out the chicken skin. You know, most cases I don't eat chicken skin. Even this one I'm roasting, I'm not gonna eat the skin. Sometimes it takes time to remove the skin. I should have done it, but I didn't do it. So it's all okay. It's all good. Okay, guys, that is the skin there. Sometimes, because of time not permitted, what I normally do is I open up the skin like this. Give it like a surgeon, you know. You know, cut it up. It's cut up now. Can you see it? I know you can see it. That is the skin there, yeah? So I go under the skin and put the butter under the skin. That one as well helps. So now that I've ripped it, okay? I've ripped it. So I'm gonna be putting all kinds of, you know, marinate it. Okay, put any kind of spices you want to marinate. I'm using this one, aromat. I like this aromat, so I'm gonna use it. I'm gonna put garlic powder. That is my garlic powder name. Then curry powder. I like this Video.Guru products. It's a curry powder one. You just rub it all over the chicken. Rub all over the chicken. It's a full chicken that, you know, can be eaten like today and tomorrow. You know. So it's all done now. So you're gonna go in the oven for an hour. Okay, guys? That is the chicken in the oven. Okay? So, guys, this is my pineapple. I'm gonna start peeling it to make my pineapple salsa. Gonna be yummy. Watch out for that. So I'm gonna start peeling the pineapple. That is it. The pineapple gonna be peeled. Okay, for my pineapple juice. I'm gonna start peeling the pineapple for my pineapple salsa. I'm gonna chop them up in cubes, so you're gonna see how I'm gonna be chopping them up. Okay. Today I'm making pineapple salsa. You can use it to eat chips, fried chicken, rice. Serve it like a, you know, like a side dish, you know, to garnish whatever you serve people to eat, jollof rice, anything. So that is my chopped tomatoes. That is my chopped red onions. That is my assorted sweet pepper, spring onions, green, red pepper, yeah, green and red, and the other long sweet pepper, chili pepper is there. And that is my pineapple chopped up. And you see it? And that is my cilantro. That is coriander fresh leaf. Okay, so watch out and see how I'm gonna mix up together. My salsa is gonna be ready in a minute. Now let's start preparing it. Okay, this is the bowl. You can use any bowl. So now I'm gonna tip in my pineapple in there. Okay, my chopped pineapple in. Then my onions, my red onion go in there. Okay. Then you mix everything all together. You mix, okay? Can you see the color? Then you tip in your tomatoes, go in there. Then you mix, you mix, you mix, you mix. Then you put in your assorted bell pepper, even red chili pepper is there. Our African red chili pepper is there. Okay? So you mix everything in there. You mix. Can you see the color? Look at that color. Look at that color, how beautiful the color is. You see the color? Then I'm gonna put in my olive oil. You need to put in your olive oil. Nice olive oil, rich olive oil, okay? Then I'm gonna crush in my black pepper. Okay? You can, there is chili pepper in there. Our red pepper is there. The long red pepper like patache is in there. Bell pepper, sweet pepper is in there. Okay, guys. Then I'm gonna put in mix pepper. I'm gonna put this as well. Okay. 2 kinds of pepper seed I'm putting in there. Crush in there. This you can use it to eat fried chicken and plantain, fried chicken or fried fish, and plantain, fried chicken, fried meat, and your plantain or your boiled plantain or your roast plantain or your roast yam, roast sweet potato, boiled sweet potato, boiled rice, jollof rice, fried rice. Then the last but not the least is the lemon. You can put in fresh lime or fresh lemon. Anyone you prefer, you put. Okay, guys? So I'm going to be putting my fresh lemon now. So I'm going to use this. You squeeze in your fresh lemon, okay? Fresh lemon or fresh lime. I'm using lemon. You can use both to give you that kick and that zigging in your mouth, in your tongue. Okay, guys? So I use different kind of pepper. Spring onions, I use this pepper. This other one, I use this one, the green one. I got the yellow one, but I didn't put the yellow one. So now we're gonna mix. Mix, 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 mix. The last one is your coriander leaf. Goes in there. Okay? You have to get fresh coriander leaf, okay? So you can enjoy it, you know. You can have a complete salsa, pineapple salsa, okay, guys? That is my pineapple salsa. Look at it. Look at that. Look at the color, guys. Look at the color, guys. Look at the color. Look at the color. You know, you can roast in garlic. If you got some roasted garlic in there, you can, you know, chuck it inside. Those are my roast garlic in there. Goes in there. Look at the salsa. Look at the color, guys. Look at the color. Look at that. That is the salsa served with the rice and the roast chicken. should use fresh coriander to garnish it. Fresh coriander to garnish it, guys. You got pineapple there. You've got mango. If you want mango, you can add mango. You can add avocado pear, that is avocado. But in this one, I didn't put mango. I didn't put avocado. It's just pineapple, assorted kind of pepper, you know, tomatoes. You can put any fruits of your choice. You know, olive oil, black pepper, mixed peppercorn, you know. Fresh lemon juice or lime juice goes in there.